Hey everyone, what is up? For today's video, I am going to be showing you all my brand new car. So a little backstory about getting this car. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know my car that I have had since sophomore year of high school died. And I am so sad because that was my baby and it was a 2005, okay? Like, it's understandable. What is that, like 15 years? I don't even know. But it died and I was very sad about it. So obviously I had to look for a new car and I wasn't expecting anything great. Like, I was literally expecting what I could get, like anything. After searching so much, I got so lucky and I found this car that I absolutely love. I actually never thought I'd ever have a car that was actually in the teens. Like, my old car was a 2005. So this is a 2013 Chevy Cruze. It's not like a brand new car, but to me it's brand new. And it has that new car smell, so that's honestly all that matters, right? No. But anyways, I just want to make this little video to show you guys an overview of my car. And this is obviously not to brag. I've seen these videos all over YouTube, and obviously I don't have the nicest car as some people out there, but I'm just really excited and I want to share this with you all and kind of keep this for my memories, maybe show to my kids when they want to see what my car looked like when I was their age. And yeah, I'm just gonna go over a little overview of my car, and I hope you all enjoy this video. So the first thing that is super crazy is it has an actual aux cord. Like, my car, I had to use a cassette aux cord tape, and maybe some of you don't even know what a cassette tape is because it's so old and people don't even put cassette players in cars anymore. So I literally have an aux cord. I'm so excited to play all my music and have fun and jam out in my car. So my car can actually switch into manual or automatic, which is really cool. I don't know how to drive automatic, but it's just something that would be cool to learn. And then it has like a really cool radio thing here, and this is like, it comes on, it's a screen. So I really love that. And the seats are also really nice. They're like this double colored kind of seat that I really love. And of course the steering wheel is so cute. My steering wheel was not this nice in my old car, so I'm just like freaking out about a steering wheel, you guys. And then the floors, there's like this plastic thing on the floor that I need to take off and put the mats in, but it's just like black and nice because my interior of my other car was tan, so it was kind of hard to keep clean. So I'm excited for like more darker interior. And oh my gosh, okay, this is my key, and you're probably thinking it's just a key, but on my old car I never had a fancy key. Like, I would see all my friends like whip out this little weapon or device if somebody's trying to attack you when you're getting in your car. But no, like, seriously, I'm so excited I have a fancy key. Like, what? But really, like, my grandma was like, Sam, if somebody tries to attack you, just stab them with this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Thanks, Grandma. Oh, my grandma also bought me this pepper spray here too. So you guys, if you don't have pepper spray, you need to get some. But yeah, I just want to say I'm so thankful because I wasn't even asking for a car like this. Like, I was gonna settle for a car that didn't even have power windows. Like, you literally have to roll them down. So this was a complete shock and a complete surprise to me, but I am so thankful because I never thought I would get this car. I'm not really gonna show too much of the outside, because just for like privacy reasons, like, I don't really want somebody to stalk me or something, so I'm not really gonna show the outside of my car. It just has like a bunch of new features that I never had in my old car. It's just like such a new change, and the ride is so smooth and it's way smaller and easier to park, which is like a plus for me. That is what I was looking for, so that's very important. So yeah, this is a really short video, but I thought it'd be super cool to show you all my new car and kind of document this point in my life. 2019, it's full of new stuff. I'm literally holding a new camera that I bought myself, and I'm so proud because it's very nice and I take a lot of pride in it. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye!